Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how to fix one of the annoying error. Can't connect to this network when you are connected with your Wi-Fi. Realtek RTL8188 USB wireless network adapter. This is really a frustrating error. Even I am properly connected to this network device with my system. There's no any hardware problem with this network device. We just need to change only a single setting to fix this issue. So now I'm gonna show you how to fix this error.